Apple Countdown, written by Joan Holub, illustrated by Jan Smith. When you hear this sound, it's time to turn the page. Field trip day! Hooray! Says Jose. "20 apples with our names," says James. "I see a tag for me," says Lee. "19 kids get on our bus," says Russ. "I share with Mr. Yee," says Lee. Wiggle, wiggle.
"18 miles till we're there,"
says Claire.
8 miles, turn, then go 10,
says Ben. "Name 17 things we might see," says Mr. Yee.
"An apple tree,"
calls Lee.
"16 steps to that gate,"
says Kate.
"Hi, Farmer Applebee,"
says Lee.
"15 cars on a train,"
says Elaine.
"5 yellow, 5 green, 5 red,"
says Ted.
"14 cows, moo moo,"
says Sue.
"That's 12 cows plus 2. 13 ducks, quack, quack,"
says Zach.
10 white ones and 3 black. "12 rows of trees,"
says Louise.
"and 11 hives for bees." Yay! It's time to pick,
says Nick. Wiggle, wiggle.
"Easy as 1, 2, 3,
says Lee. 1. Hold apple in your hand, pressing the stem against the apple with your index finger. 2. Twist upward. 3. Pull gently.
"I picked small ones. My sack will hold 10,
says Ben.
"I picked bigger ones.
Says Caroline.
My sack will hold 9. "Mine are the biggest,"
says Kate.
"My sack holds only 8. "My 7 apples are green,"
says Christine.
"My 6 apples are red,"
says Ted.
"Wanna trade with me?"
asks Lee.
"An apple has 5 holes, each with seeds inside,"
says Clyde.
"There are 4 seasons in a year,"
says Shakir.
"Winter branches are bare,"
says Claire.
"Spring flowers bloom pink and white,"
says Dwight.
"In summer, the apples grow,"
says Joe.
"Fall apples are ready to pick,"
says Nick.
"3 apple pies for us,"
says Russ.
"How many slices are there?"
asks Claire.
2 times 6 plus 8,
says Kate.
2 o'clock. Time to go,
says Joe. Crunch, 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 crunch. Crunch!
1 lost tooth for me,
shouts Lee.
Thanks,
Thanks, Farmer Applebee.
Bye! We love apples!
We had fun!